Do you feel like things are in a fog right now? Do you feel that there's a lack of clarity? Like you're not quite sure what to do or where to turn for real understanding? We live in a time where there is more information than ever, and yet people are not clearer. More information does not mean better understanding. So, what's going on? It's not that the answers aren't there so much, it's that there's interference, there's filters through which the information gets to us. And there's a body of work that's been passed down through the ages, quietly taught in the mystery schools, that I've been teaching for decades and given to the students of the ancient wisdom. It's known as the Rainbow Bridge. In the ancient teachings, it's called the building of the Antahkarana, which is a Sanskrit term for the bridge between the personality and the soul. This work is specifically about building that bridge. It's not vague, it's not abstract. It's a definitive step by step process that's been given to students for thousands of years to systematically clear the system and restore alignment with the higher levels of awareness. Now, here's the challenge. Most people are moving through life with a system that is terribly congested. Mental noise, emotional residue, a kind of inner fog. And that fog acts like a filter. It distorts perception, it blocks reception. So instead of clarity, we get confusion, we get second guessing, we get interference. The teachings are very clear on this. The next step in human development is not more information, it's greater clarity of perception. And that requires clearing the system. The rainbow bridge, the Antahkarana, is the method for doing exactly that. When practiced, it begins to remove the fog, it steadies the system, and opens a clear pathway to clarity and deeper knowing. And then what begins to happen? You stop second guessing. You begin to know, and that changes everything. I'll be introducing this work at a masterclass on the 15th of April. And this is your invitation. Partake and see if we can give you a systematic approach to bringing about more clarity.